the National Nature Association has issued a bee flock attack for the entire United States until further notice. Bees from all beehives have been escaped and they are capable of stinging you. If you hear and/or see a flock of bees, seek shelter in a reinforced building. If no shelter is available, lay flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head completely. If you try to run, all the bees in their flock will come after you and they will all sting you. If you have been stung too many times, please call 911 for medical help immediately. Repeat, the National Nature Association has issued a bee flock attack for the entire United States until further notice.